Something authentic and something delicious. Hi everyone and welcome to All Lite Food, and today I'm going to share an authentic Odia mixed vegetable curry, and these are the ingredients you will need to make the recipe. So first, in a saucepan I will pour 2 cups of water, and into it I will add salt to taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I will let the water to boil. And when the water starts boiling, I will add around a cup of diced raw papaya, and this one is going to take some time to cook. So I will cover and let it to cook for 4 to 5 minutes before adding the other vegetables. Then I will add 2 drumsticks that have been cut into pieces, then a cup of raw banana cut into long pieces, around a cup of diced eggplants, and 1 potato. The potato is optional. Give it a quick stir, cover, and let the vegetables to cook for 6 to 7 more minutes. Meanwhile, I will make a simple cumin paste to temper the curry. And for that, I'll take 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, half an inch of ginger, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic in a grinder, add a dash of water, and grind all the ingredients into smooth paste. So it's been 6 to 7 minutes and the vegetables are cooked nicely. I'll turn off the stove and transfer them into a bowl. Now to temper the curry, in a pan, take 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and when the oil is warm, add 1 teaspoon of 5 seed mix to enhance the flavor. Then 2 tablespoons of cumin ginger garlic paste and 1 chopped tomatoes. Cook for a couple of minutes. Next, add half a tablespoon of coriander powder and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Mix all the ingredients nicely. And when the tomatoes are soft, add the cooked vegetables and bring the curry to a boil. To increase the taste even more, add body or the sun-dried lentil nuggets and freshly chopped coriander leaves. Finish with a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder and serve hot with steamed rice and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like, and visit our website at alllitefood.com for more food and health content.